Welcome everyone. Today we are excited to share our progress during sprint 1 of our project. In this presentation, we'll walk you through the key aspects of our first sprint, including our backlog, group activities, project logistics, user stories, sprint planning, and the lessons we have learned along the way. There were 3 members in the group. They were team leader, UI designer, and the front-end developer. Today, we are excited to share the progress of our project during Sprint 1. Let's begin by diving into our Sprint 1 backlog and the key tasks we aim to accomplish. During Sprint 1, our team focused on laying the foundation for our project. We began by conducting a comprehensive analysis of the project requirements, ensuring a clear understanding of our goals and objectives. These analyses were crucial in defining our sprint backlog, outlining the tasks and features to be prioritized. Additionally, we collaborated closely to set up essential tools for project management and version control. Together, we figured settings on GitHub to establish our repository, streamline our code collaboration process. To maintain effective communication and alignment, we held daily Scrum meetings to discuss progress, address challenges, and plan next steps. These meetings help us to stay agile and responsive throughout the sprint. Furthermore, we focused on setting up our development environment with the integrated development environment. This involved configuring our IDE for optimal coding efficiency and collaboration, ensuring that all team members were equipped to start development task efficiency. Let's dive into the project logistics that supported our efforts during Sprint 1. Effective project management and communications tools were instrumental in driving our project forward. Firstly, the communication platforms such as Microsoft Teams is facilitating regular meetings and quick changes. This allows us to stay connected and share updates and address any project-related issues promptly. Secondly, we use Trello as our primary task management tool. Lastly, GitHub played a crucial role in version control and collaborative coding. We utilized GitHub to manage our code base, track changes, and coordinate contributions from team members. By implementing these project logistics, we establish a robust framework for collaboration, communication, and task management, ensuring that our project remained on task and agile with our objectives. Let's discuss the user stories and features that guide our Sprint 1 development efforts. User stories serve as valuable tools for capturing end-user requirements and shaping the features of our project. During Sprint 1, we identified several user stories that informed our feature development. From these user stories, we extract a total of 6 key features essential to the success of our project. Let me walk you through the features derived from our user stories. User story 1. As a student, I want to access the SIT 123 and 753 unit page with a clear and visually appealing header to quickly identify the course environment. Design header and Deakin logo. Style header with background color. User story 3. As a student, I want to read a conscious paragraph summarizing the content of the SIT 223, SIT 753 unit to understand and its objectives and relevance to my studies. User story 4. As a student, I want to have a convenient link to the enrollment and fee page for SIT 223, SIT 753 to facilitate the registration process. User story are the way to estimating the effort and Complexity tasks and features within a sprint. They provide a relative measure of a work effort rather than time based estimates. When we assign story points, we consider factors like task complexity, effort, and potential challenges. The difference between point values reflects variant levels of task complexity. Higher point values indicate more challenging or time consuming tasks, while low values represent simpler or less resource intensive tasks. Let's begin by summarizing our Sprint 1 journey and the goals we set out to achieve. What worked well? First, let's celebrate our success. What aspects of Sprint 1 worked well for our team? Clear communication. Communication within the team was clear and concise, ensuring everyone was aligned on tasks, deadlines, and expectations. Git workflow. The team efficiently utilized the Git version control, enabling seamless collaboration and tracking of changes throughout the sprint. Access areas of improvement. Next, let's discuss areas we encountered challenges or opportunities for improvement. Some tasks too long than the anticipated, leading to slight delays in the task completion and potential pressures towards the end of the sprint. Documentation. Documentation of certain tasks and decisions could have been more through, leading to potential confusion or lack of the clarity for future reference. Advice for other teams. Allocate sufficient time for each task and regularly monitor progress to avoid last minute rushes and ensure timely competition. Maintain comprehensive document of tasks, decisions, and progress throughout the sprint to facilitate the clarity and future reference. Thank you to our team members for the dedication, collaboration, and hard work throughout the sprint. Thank you.